Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Chiliz token. In today's video, I want to show you how the price line of Chiliz has formed another harmonic bullish reversal move after a long time period, and this time it has completed a very big bullish bad pattern on the weekly time frame chart. And previously I shared this video with you when the price action of Chiliz formed a bullish reversal cipher pattern, and I also shared this idea at the Patreon as a private chart. And by the way, if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there, because I'm also sharing the different trading ideas here on the daily basis. Okay, first of all, let me show you my previous idea that I shared with you. That was this bullish harmonic cipher pattern on the 12-hour chart. And at that time, you can see that the price action spiked in this buying zone and moved up, and I was expecting that it will give us another chance to catch it from this buying zone. Now I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that the price action completed the final leg of the bullish cipher, entered the buying zone here. Here the price action completed the leg and moved up, hit the sell zone, moved down again, and moved up, hit the sell zone again, and moved down. This time the price action broke down the potential reversal zone but reversed back, and then it reversed bullish, and that was more than 75% rally. Now this time I'm expecting up to 550% rally, because this time it has formed the bullish reversal move on the weekly time frame chart. And remember, on the weekly time frame, one candlestick represents 1 week. Now let's move to the live chart, and here we can see on the daily time frame the price line is moving under the simple moving averages with the time period of 25, and this green one is the 50, this yellow one is 200, and this red one is the 100 simple moving averages. And it has broken down all these simple moving averages and moving here. For a while, the price action here broke out the 25 simple moving average, but rejected by the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. Let me do zoom the chart so it will be more visible for you. And now we can see that the price action is moving above a very strong and key level support zone that starts from 23.5 cents and goes to 18 cents. And we can see that the price line is not able to break down this key level support so far, and moving. Sometimes it is spiking in this support zone, and sometimes it is getting reversed above this support zone, like after hitting 23.5 cents support zone, it is moving towards the upside. But it is also getting rejected by these simple moving averages, the resistance of these simple moving averages, and moving back to this support zone. And there is another resistance level, let me show you. That is the old resistance that is coming all the way from here, from 20th of May, when the price, when all the market was very strong bearish, and the price action found this rejection line, this resistance line, and you can see that so far this resistance line is working as a very strong resistance for the price action. And we also have this very strong support for the price action that is still working as a very strong support from 20th of May. So it is a symmetrical triangle. You can see that the price action is moving in this symmetrical triangle, and now it is testing the support. And at the end of this symmetrical triangle, the price action has tested the support more than the resistance. The more the price line will test the support, the more there will be chances for the breakdown. And if it will, our next target towards the downside can be, if I place this trend line here at the tip of this triangle, then to the downside we can have a very bearish target that is approximately at 7.2 cents. That is a very down. And if it will break out the resistance, then our next target can be, if I place it here at the tip of this triangle, at 42 cents. Now at the same time, we can see that the price line is also moving under the death cross of 250 simple moving average as well. We have here a death cross, where at the same time the price line is also having the support of the symmetrical triangle and a very strong support zone. from 23.5 cents to 18 cents. And at the same time, we can see that on the daily time frame, let me just show you the oscillator. The stochastic oscillator has entered the oversold zone. And now let me place the stochastic oscillator. And after placing the stochastic oscillator, we can see that it has just touched the oversold zone. Therefore, if the stochastic will start moving towards the upside, like previously from the support, it was moving towards the upside, the price action was following the movement of the oscillator, the stochastic, and here the price action also followed the movement of the oscillator, and here the price action also followed the movement of the oscillator, the stochastic oscillator. Therefore, this time, if the stochastic will start moving towards the upside, then the price action can follow the signals of the oscillator once again, especially when the price action is at the support of this symmetrical triangle and at a very strong support, the key level support of this 23.5 cents to 18 cents. Now let's move to the very important chart that I want to show you is this very big bullish bad pattern that is a bullish reversal move. The price line has formed on the weekly time frame chart, and this is the basic reason I'm expecting that the price action can reverse bullish, and this can be up to 550% rally from here. So let me just show you this chart, and this is the link for the chart that I've shared at the Patreon, and I'm just going to share all these buying and sell targets with you as well. We can see that the price action has already completed this buying zone here, and you can see that this buying zone starts from 21 cents and goes to 11 cents. So this is a very wide buying zone as per the Fibonacci sequence of this harmonic bullish bad pattern. I have defined this buying zone that starts from 0.786 to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level. However, we have a very good support of 50 simple moving average. Therefore, I would like to suggest you that we should use this 50 simple moving average as a stop loss, because the buying zone as per Fibonacci sequence of this bullish bad is too wide. If we will wait for the price action to hit the 11.7 cents, and if it will be broken down and we will consider it as a stop loss and sell the Chiliz there, then it will be a great loss. So in order to minimize the loss ratio, we can use this 50 simple moving average as our stop loss, because it is a very strong support, and with the passage of the time, it will be also moved towards the upside, and the loss ratio will be decreased with the passage of the time. Okay, now if we take a look at the sell targets, what can be the sell targets after buying the Chiliz from this buying zone? The sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence from 43.3 cents to 76.78 cents. Now we got the idea that the price action has formed a bullish reversal move. Now from where within this buying zone it will be reverse bullish, in my point of view, it can give us another chance to catch it from this buying zone between 50 simple moving average to the starting of this buying zone. So we can try to catch it from the buying zone of this harmonic bullish reversal bad move, and you can see that this support zone is very strong. Even on the weekly time frame chart, we can see that we are having only the wicks of the candlestick in this buying zone. The price action is completing this leg again and again, just hitting the spikes, not completely able to enter in this buying zone. So we can catch another spike if the price action will move more down up to this 21 cents to between 21 cents to 50 cents. And on the daily time frame chart, we can see that whenever the price line is moving in this very strong support zone, 23.5 cents to 18 cents, then it is getting weaker and weaker, and we are only having the spikes in this very strong buying zone that is from 23.5 cents to 18 cents. So this is very important to catch it from the buying zone. However, if you are using your own set of indicators, you're doing your own analysis, and you think that the price action will be reversed bullish from here, even above the buying zone of this bullish bad, because we are having an idea that the price action will be reverse bullish, but from where it will be reverse bullish, for that we can use some other analysis and indicators as well. In my point of view, we should buy it above the 50 simple moving average weekly and between this buying zone from where this buying zone is getting started, that is 21.11 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.